Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. So tomorrow we're going to make some Jamaican coconut buttermilk chicken. So tonight we have a little bit of work to do. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to make our spice mix. In our spice mix, and all the amounts are down in the description. Heck, look at all these. I'm not going to remember the amounts. That's why I wrote them down for you. Because we at the Galley of the Sun care. So, first of all, onion powder, garlic powder, thyme leaves, smoked paprika, because that's the only way to go, cinnamon, allspice, salt, brown sugar, cayenne. There we go. So, going to get our spice mix all mixed together using our very technical instrument here. We've got that done. We need to get together our marinade for the chicken, and that's all we got to do tonight. So what I have here is coconut milk, but not that canned stuff, the stuff that comes refrigerated, okay? So get the good stuff for this. 2 cups of coconut milk, and then 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. So just like taking regular milk and mixing in the vinegar to make your own buttermilk, that's what we're doing here, except we're doing it with coconut milk. Because this is Jamaican. Jamaica is an island nation in the Caribbean, about 2.9 million people. Surprisingly, they see about 4.3 million tourists every year. Their cuisine is famous for Caribbean jerk spice, good stuff, Caribbean curry, good stuff, and rice and peas. Peas. No. No. Okay, so we got our coconut milk, we've got our apple cider vinegar. Now we're going to take 2 teaspoons of this spice mix that we made. We're going to add that. Then we're going to get this all shook up and then add our chicken. And we're going to let that chicken set in this stuff overnight. I am using chicken thighs because I love the dark meat. Really do, really do. Chicken goes in the marinade, goes in the refrigerator overnight. We will see you tomorrow and finish this dish up. All right, so now it is the day. Now, we can't have just fried chicken. You got to have something else, and it's Jamaican fried chicken. So let's make a Jamaican sort of thing. We're going to make a pickled pineapple slaw. So I already have half of a fresh pineapple diced. That goes in our bowl. 1 ear worth of fresh corn into the bowl. 1 diced red bell pepper. And 1 diced, de-seeded, deveined jalapeno. Hey Stefan, I said jalapeno this time. Also, vegetarian dish. How about that? Okay, last thing we need to do for the stuff in the bowl is add the zest of 1 lime. Remember, you want just the green stuff. Want to minimize the amount of white stuff that you put in there because it's very bitter. So to finish up this slaw, I'm going to take half a cup of apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of honey. I'm going to put it in the saucepan behind me. I'm going to bring that up to a boil. Once it hits a boil, I'm going to take it off the heat. We're going to add the juice of this lime and then add it to our slaw, mix it up, and then get that in the fridge as we move on with the rest of the meal. We'll get our lime prepped, ready to get that juiced. Okay, we are boiling, didn't take long at all. Woo! Be careful about breathing in that vinegar. Oh, man. We add the juice of 1 lime. Give that a quick stir, get it all mixed up. Onto our pineapple, jalapeno, red bell pepper, lime zest, corn mixture. Now we're going to give that a good stir. Get everything coated. Oh, it's smelling damn good. And we will put this colorful monstrosity into the refrigerator and move on to making the sauce. All right, so the slaw's in the refrigerator. Last thing we got to do is get together our pomegranate orange barbecue sauce. This is going to be good. So all the amounts are down in the description for everything I've done, so you can look there so you don't have to watch this 17 times. But if you like to watch this 17 times, please do it. If you do watch this 17 times, you're committed. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. You'll find out when every episode comes out. Hit that bell too. All right, so first of all, ketchup in. We're a bit of ketchup snobs here. We like the red duck. Prefer the smoky. It's hard to get. In with that goes a 1/4 cup of orange juice. 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, black. We have our 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. We have our 1 tablespoon of pomegranate molasses. And then, like any other good barbecue sauce, some of the rub that we're using for the meat and for the marinade is going in here. So I have a 1.5 teaspoons of that spice mix we made last night. All this gets mixed up until it's looking all good, mixed and barbecue saucy. It is there. You know what? It is time for a mid-video director taste test. So, director, let me know how my sauce is.
That's good.
Oh yeah, made her happy. Very important. So I'm gonna go get that in the fridge and then we'll set up to start on the chicken. Okay, so we have our chicken station set up. What I have here, I've taken my chicken out of the marinade and have it sitting over here. This bowl just has flour in it. This is the marinade that I reserved that the chicken was sitting in. Then we have flour over here. We're gonna go ahead and mix in our spice mixture with that flour. All right, I reckon my deep fat fryer can do about 3 chicken thighs at a time, so that's what we'll get ready. So, just simple fried chicken breading here. Get it in the flour, get it covered. Make sure you get every bit of it. Throw some on the floor just in case your cats come by. It's nice to have that tracked all over the house. Then into the buttermilk mixture, out. Let that drain off. And into the flour and spices mixture. Fully coat. And that is 1 ginormous chicken thigh. I think we got some Chernobyl chicken thighs. All right, and we repeat. All right, so you got options. If you don't have a deep fat fryer or you think it's too small for doing this, then go ahead and get a cast iron skillet, get a good amount of veggie or canola oil in there. You want to be able to do this you don't want to do a shallow fry to where the top side of it isn't submerged. So you'll need quite a bit of oil to do that. Or you can do it in a deep fat fryer like we're doing it today. I know that chicken wings take about 9 minutes to do in that deep fat fryer. Chicken thigh's bigger, so I'm gonna give it about 13 minutes and we'll see what we got. Okay, got it finished, got the pineapple slaw out of the refrigerator. Got a little dish of our barbecue sauce we made here. Chicken's done. The director's gonna tell us how we did.
Yum. That's good.
Ah, good. All right, we're a winner on the slaw. And it definitely is crispy after that double coating.
It's definitely hot. I'm sure there's an easier way to eat this.
All right, there you go. Jamaican coconut buttermilk chicken and pineapple slaw. I hope you have enjoyed watching it today. Had a blast making it. Until next time, we will see you, the Galley of the Sun. Fair winds and following seas.